As more devices become connected to the internet, the prevalence of cyber threats continues to increase. These vulnerabilities are similar to the side effects of the Industrial Revolution, with malware being an all-encompassing term for various types of attacks. These attacks include Trojans, viruses, and worms, all of which can steal data or destroy a computer. To avoid malware, it is crucial to avoid downloading anything from unknown senders and keep operating systems up to date with the latest security updates and software. Phishing is another prevalent cyber threat that presents itself as requests for data from trusted third parties. These attacks are usually sent via email and trick users into clicking on a link and entering personal data. It is important to pay close attention to how these emails are addressed and to hover over any redirect links to ensure that they are legitimate. Password attacks involve attempting to obtain or decrypt a user's password. Password cracking, dictionary attacks, and sniffers are all methods used to steal login information. Brute force attacks involve guessing password combinations, while dictionary attacks use common words or phrases to crack passwords. To prevent these attacks from happening, it is essential to use unique and strong passwords and change them regularly. Denial of service attacks involve overwhelming a server or network with traffic, making it unavailable to users. These attacks can be prevented with strong firewalls and keeping systems up to date. Man-in-the-middle attacks involve intercepting and tampering with communication between two parties. These attacks can be avoided by using cryptographic protocols, ensuring secure communication channels, and preventing unauthorized access. Drive-by downloads occur when downloading software or visiting a website, and malware can be installed on your device without you even knowing it. To prevent this, it is important to be cautious about what you download and what websites you visit. SQL injection attacks occur when an attacker inserts malicious code into SQL statements. This can be prevented by validating user inputs and properly sanitizing them before they are included in SQL queries. Social engineering attacks involve human interaction and aim to manipulate users into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that are not in their best interest. To prevent these attacks, users must be educated about the tactics used and how to recognize and respond appropriately. Other than these types of attacks, cyber threats include rogue security software scams that manipulate users into downloading fake malware removal tools. It's best to avoid these scams by ensuring updated firewalls and trusted antivirus software. Practicing good online security habits is thus essential to protecting personal information and networks from these types of cyber threats. It is advisable to use strong passwords and keep systems up to date to avoid malware and to be cautious when opening emails or visiting websites to prevent social engineering, phishing, and drive-by download attacks. Want to learn more about cybersecurity threats? Please visit our website.